Another one, let's take a look at SPY. Let's look at SPY. We can see SPY is making all-time highs. And it's pushing. And I think there's more room to run. And why do I think this? Well, let's start. Well, where did SPY particularly, where did it stop at, right? So if I draw my price level right here, I'll go down right here. I'm gonna send it to the left. Watch what happens. This is why I love points. I can actually blow this up. Came up, hit this point right here for the bounce. And this point low was 481.80 and it hit it right here. Money. Right, from this bounce, what can we expect? Right? So if I draw my fib from here, I get just about right here, right? So this is my demand zone right here. This is my fib line for my demand zone. It's beautiful. I love it. So from here, it looks like SPY can at least go to 6695. So 6695 is the price we're looking at for SPY. You can put it maybe a few months out, potentially could hit this depending on how the economy was going. Right now, everything looks pretty good. The VEX is very low, so the VEX is at 16. So the market is probably like to make higher highs. So, I mean, we should get in, invest your money, be smart with your risk. Don't risk too heavy, but that's where SPY is potentially looking to go. And this is a beautiful thing. So we can see here, SPY pre-markets at 621. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a push today in the market. Let's see what happens. Not for sure, not this 100%. But if I look at this SPY monthly chart, I'm gonna remove my Fibonacci. See how it looks on a monthly. I love the monthly chart. Look right here. Ooh, you see this right here, this liquidity grab. So you see this liquidity grab, what it means is just they just took money, they bought the money down low, they bought it back up. So it manipulated people. That's all liquidity gap is, manipulation of money. That's all it is. So right here in the monthly chart doesn't look too hot with this candle, but we're still, in the middle of July. So things could change. But if this candle sits like this, and if another candle breaks below, you can look for a potential lower run down. But you never know. So look right here. This candle with that maybe go low, but this candle means indecisive. This candles mean buy. When you see two candles like this, back to back, there's a little bit of education. It's 90% chance. I would say 80, 90% chance that's gonna make a little bit more of a push. But if you see this liquidity grab right here, which all it is a fake out. That's all liquidity grab is. And you get in the next candle above it, ooh, it's gonna be money almost every single time. So like, remember what I told you, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green consolidation, and then bang, remember from the DG I was saying about? You see it in the monthly chart. It happens on all time frames. But we're looking at SPY, look, hit right here. Look what it hit. Ooh, perfectly on the tip on the monthly chart. Bonito. So you can see it works. So that's why I love pivots. And it's also in the supply zone right here. Because it breaks through here. When it breaks through here, it comes back. This becomes your support. So support at 480 is strong. And it bounced back, oof, almost 100 some bucks. And if it moves another about, I would say 40, 60 bucks, you're looking at $200 gain in less than 3 months. Incredible. Incredible. Um, but yeah, that's all I have for today for SPY. This is just a quick run through. We can look at the 4 hour chart, 1 hour chart, get maybe where it can go today, potentially. Jordan structure is so good, hasn't broke structure yet. This candle's a little bit scary, but I'm not gonna worry about it too much. But if it breaks up, get it back about 326, we're gonna get to make a pie potentially another high. So let's hope it breaks 623. If it does, we're good. We're in the money. We should be fine. Look at the 1 hour. SPY is still holding. It's still being tough. So we're looking at the daily chart today. As long as it doesn't really break this level, 616-ish level, we should be fine. Um, yeah, it is a little bit going a little bit down. Let's see if it holds. If it doesn't hold, then maybe 616 puts. If it breaks, you're looking at 610 for the hourly chart or so. But I like to look at the hour, 4 hour to get a quick glance at things. On the daily chart, it's just still looking pretty bullish to me. So buy still bullish overall, in my opinion. But yeah, but this is just a quick view of the charts today, just a quick video. I'll come back with you guys to a later video, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, about stocks that I'm looking at, maybe 3 stocks we can key in on and make some money. All right, I'm out.